Hi there. Today we are going to explore the wonderful world of cottage porches. These cozy spaces are not just an extension of our home, they are a gateway to relaxation and tranquility. Imagine a place where the gentle breeze rustles the leaves, birds sing their sweet melodies, and the sun casts its warm glow. That's the magic of a cottage porch. So, what makes a cottage porch special? It's all about embracing the simple joy of life and connecting with nature. Let's break down the elements that make a cottage porch a delightful retreat. First off, the classic rocking chairs, an iconic symbol of relaxation. Picture yourself swaying back and forth, soaking in the serenity of your surroundings. These chairs invite you to slow down and savor the present moment. Next, we have cozy nooks adorned with soft cushions and warm blankets. Perfect for curling up with a good book or sharing stories with loved ones. Whether it's a cup of herbal tea or your favorite brew, the porch is an ideal spot to enjoy a leisurely sip while embracing the beauty of nature. Now let's talk about the vibrant flora. Hanging baskets, potted plants, and colorful flowers create a symphony of colors and scents. They not only add aesthetic appeal but also attract butterflies and hummingbirds, turning your porch into a nature haven. But it's not just about solitude. Cottage porches are perfect for family gatherings. Imagine laughter filling the air as children play and adults share hearty conversations. It's a space that brings people together. In conclusion, a cottage porch is more than just an architectural feature. It's a sanctuary for the souls. It's a place where you can escape, unwind, and connect with the beauty of the world around you. So the next time you find yourself on a cottage porch, take a moment to appreciate the simplicity and magic